Good day everyone, welcome to another wonderful session of Learning with Prepclass. My name is Tutor Olalekon Israel, your Prepclass tutor, and I am super excited to be on your screens once again. Now in today's video, we will be answering JAMB English 2020 past questions, question 11 to question 15. Do not forget, the purpose for this session is to help you prepare for your forthcoming JAMB examination. So let's go on this journey of learning together. Okay, before we begin, kindly subscribe to our channel by clicking on the subscribe button down here. Do not forget to turn on the notification so you can be notified whenever we upload any new content. Right, let's begin. Question 11 under the lexics, structure and oral part of the JAMB examination. Now, in each of the following questions are questions 11 to 20, but in this video, we will be answering just question 11 to 15. In each of the following questions, choose the option that best completes the gap or the gaps, as the case may be. Question 11 reads, I shall find the time for my dash when I get dash. I shall find the time for my dash when I get dash. So which option will best complete these gaps? Option A, I shall find the time for my past time when I get over. Option B, I shall find the time for my past time when I get over. Option C, I shall find the time for my past time when I get through. Option D, I shall find the time for my past time when I get through. So, which of these options best completes the gaps? Now, looking at all the options, we have something in common. We have past time, P-A-S-T, and past time, P-A-S-S. Then we have over and through. So, what does the word past time mean? P-A-S-T, past time. Now, past time is what someone does regularly for relaxation. What someone does regularly for relaxation. For my pastime, I like listening to music, I like watching movies, I like going to swim, so that is what I do for my pastime. It is what someone does regularly for relaxation. Pastime means to spend time while doing something. If you are doing something and it's taking some moment, it's taking some time, what you're doing is past time, you are passing time. So it means to spend time while doing something. While pastime is something you do regularly for relaxation. What do you do for pastime? What do you do in your pastime? I love going to the beach. I love playing football. I love listening to music. Those are some things that I like to do in my pastime. Now, what does it mean to get over? To get over means to recover from something, to pull through or to forget. For people that have been heartbroken, for people that have been disappointed by somebody, they actually need to get over that disappointment, those disappointments. Get over means to recover from. You have to recover from the heartbreak. You have to forget the heartbreak. You have to forget the disappointment. You have to get over the disappointment. Get through means to pass a difficult or testing period or experience. Get through means to pass a difficult or testing period or experience. I will get through this. Maybe you are having time passing a particular subject, and you've been taking extra lessons to help you get better in that subject. When you actually pass, or when you actually pass that exam or test, you've gotten through it. So to get through means to pass a difficult or testing period or experience. Now, the answer to this question is option D. I shall find time for my past time when I get through. Now, this sentence implies that you have an assignment, but because there is a deadline to that assignment, you can't actually relax. You don't have time for relaxation. So you are saying, or you are implying that when you are through with the assignment, you will have the time to relax when you are through. That is what it basically means. You will have the time to relax when you are through. Remember, past time means something you do regularly for relaxation. Get through means to pass a difficult testing period or experience. Get through means to pass a difficult or testing period or experience. So, I shall find the time for my past time when I get through. Now, it is not get over, because When you get over, there actually has to be an object after over. I shall find the time for my past time when I get over that experience. Now that is the object. I shall find the time for my past time when I get over the situation. So for you to use get over in a sentence, there has to be an object. There has to be something you are talking about that you want to get over. But you can actually use get through without any object. I shall find the time for my past time when I get through. Hey, why haven't you been coming to join us to swim? I am actually busy. I have some assignments to submit. But when I'm through with the assignments, I will have time for my past time. That is basically the meaning of this sentence. Moving on to the next question, question number 12. Actually, he forgot the one to dash the job was given. Actually, he forgot the one to dash the job was given. A. Actually, he forgot the one to whom the job was given. B. Actually, he forgot the one to who the job was given. C. Actually, he forgot the one to whomever the job was given. D. Actually, he forgot the one to whoever the job was given. So which of these options will best complete the gap in this sentence? Now, all of the options we have here are relative pronouns. Okay, now, whom, who, whoever, and whomever are all relative pronouns. Now, whom is used to refer to persons in the object position. You use whom to refer to persons in the object position. Remember, the object is the receiver of the action or the beneficiary of the action. You are receiving the action. Who is used to refer to persons in the subject position. The subject is the performer of the action. Whomever is used to refer to persons in the object position. Whoever is used in the subject position. For example, whom. She is free to employ whom she wants. Now, whom is receiving the action of employ. Remember, whom is used to refer to persons in the object position. She is free to employ. Employ is the action. Who is she free to employ? Whom. Whom is the object. Whom is used in the object position. Whom is used to refer to persons in the object position. Now, who. Who is used to refer to persons in the subject position. This is the man who stole the meat. Who is referring to what? The man. The man is the performer of the action. The man is the person that stole the meat. The man performed the action of stealing the meat. So, who is used to refer to persons in the subject position. The subject is the performer of the action. Whom is used to refer to persons in the object position, the receiver of the action. Whomever is used to refer to persons in the object position. Now, whenever you use whomever, there is some uncertainty about who you are talking about. She is free to employ whomever she wants. You use whoever in the subject position. Whoever is not used to refer to persons. It is used in the subject position. It is used as the performer of the action. Whoever fights will be punished. Whoever is the performer of the action in this sentence. Fights is the action. So whoever is used in the subject position. Now, the answer to this question is whom. Actually, he forgot the one to whom the job was given. Remember, whom is used to refer to persons in the object position. The person receiving the action. Now, whom is receiving the action of forgot. He forgot the one to whom. So, whom is receiving the action of being forgotten. So, whom is referring to the person that was forgotten. Remember, whom is used to refer to persons in the object position. So, he forgot the one to whom the job was given, not to who. Who would be referring to the subject. So, the answer to this question is whom. He forgot the one. Who did he forget? Whom the job was given. He forgot whom the job was given. Whom is the receiver of the action. Receiving the action of being forgotten. Okay, question number 13. Question 13 reads, after so many trials, the experiment dash A. Paid up. B. Paid for. C. paid out. D. Paid off. So, which of these options best completes the gap in this sentence? After so many trials, the experiment dash. Now, the options paid up means to complete the payment for something. I bought a refrigerator and I was paid instrumentally. When I pay the last installment, I have paid up. It means to complete the payment for something. Paid for means to bear the cost of something. Somebody bought a shoe and I paid for it. So, paid for means to bear the cost of something. Now, paid out means to discharge money, to settle a debt or obligation, to transfer money. I paid out some money for the shoe. I paid out some money for the car. So, paid out means to discharge money, to settle a debt or obligation, or to transfer money. Now, paid off means to yield good results. It means to succeed. Now, if you are experimenting, you are expecting a result. So after so many trials, the experiment paid off. The experiment yielded good results. The experiment was a success. After so many trials, the experiment paid off. So paid off is the best option to complete this sentence. Alright, moving on to the next question. Question number 14. Question 14 reads, every programming language and software package dash limitations. Every programming language and software package dash limitations. A. Have us limitations. That is obviously wrong. B. Have their limitations. C. Has its limitations. D. Has their limitations. So which of these options will best complete this sentence? Now, the answer to this question is option C. Every programming language and software package has its limitations. Now, the reason for this is based on the concord rule of every. Remember, concord means the agreement between the subject and the verb in a sentence. So, this answer is guided by the concord rule of every. Now, the concord rule of every states that when every is used in a sentence and a coordinator, that is a coordinating conjunction, which is and. When every is used in a sentence and a coordinator and is used to link two or more subjects. When a coordinator and is used to link two or more subjects, the singular verb will be used. Remember, subjects are the performers of an action or who or what a sentence is about. So when every is used in a sentence and a coordinator and is used to link two or more subjects, the singular verb will be used. Now in this sentence we have two subjects joined together by the coordinator and. We have programming language is a subject, software package is another subject, joined together by and. Every programming language and software package has its limitation. A singular verb has to be used. So, the answer to this question is option C. Every programming language and software package has its limitations. That is, every programming language has its limitations. Every software package has its limitations. We can't use there because when you break the subject into units, when you break the sentence into units, what we will have is every programming language has their limitations. No. Programming language is a singular subject, so you can't use there. You can't use the pronoun there. You cannot say every programming language has their limitation. Every software package has their limitation. All you would say is every programming language has its limitations. Every software package has its limitations. So, when you join the two subjects together with the coordinator and into one sentence, what you would have is every programming language and software package has its limitations. So the answer to this question is option C. Alright, moving on to the next question. Question number 15. Question 15 reads, Tosin refused to be dashed, though he has written the same examination 3 times. Wow, how would you feel after writing a particular examination for 3 times? A. Sad. You could actually feel sad. It is right to feel sad. B. Placated. C. Frustrated. D. Indifferent. Now, Tosin refused to be dashed, though he has written the same examination 3 times. Now, sad means to be unhappy, to feel sorrow. Tosin can actually be unhappy because he has written the same examination 3 times. But we don't know if this is the best option to complete this sentence yet. Now, placated means to be appeased, to pacify someone. Tosin refused to be placated, to be appeased, though he has written the same examination 3 times. Frustrated means feeling or expressing distress and annoyance resulting from an inability to change or to achieve something. Frustrated means feeling or expressing distress and annoyance resulting from inability to change or achieve something. Now, this is looking like another possible answer to this question. Now, indifferent means to be unconcerned, having no interest, or to be emotionless. It is only unreasonable people that will be unconcerned, that will be indifferent after writing the same examination 3 times. So the answer is between sad and frustrated. Now, the answer to this question is option C, frustrated. Tosin refused to be frustrated, though he has written the same examination 3 times. Although Tosin is sad because he has been writing the same examination 3 times, but he is not frustrated. He is not annoyed. He is not expressing distress because he has not been able to pass the examination. So, Tosin refused to be frustrated, refused to be discouraged, though he has written the same examination 3 times. Although he is sad, he is unhappy because he is failing the examination, but he is not frustrated because he is determined to pass the examination. Okay, with that, we've come to the end of this wonderful session. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, kindly like and comment. Also, share this content with your friends and loved ones. Thank you for your time. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.